First, we put our 9 volts battery connected to our first resistor that has a value of 47 kilo ohms, and then we connect it to our electric condenser mic. The negative charge of our mic is connected series to our ground, and then we connect it to our second resistor, which is connected in series to our transistor. And the emitter of our transistor is connected to our ground, and we will connect it now to pin 4 of our integrated circuit to the 9 volts battery. Our pin 2 is connected series to the second resistor, and the pin 1 is connected to the ground. We will connect pin 8 of our IC to our power supply, and then pin 6 and 7 of our IC is connected to our third resistor, and our capacitor is connected to pin 6 of our IC and with its end to the ground. The last resistor is connected to the pin 3 of our IC and our LED with its end to the ground to our battery. So now you can see our circuit, the schematic diagram of the clamp switch. Initially, the transistor is in off state because there is not enough base emitter voltage to turn it on, and point A is at high potential and is connected to trigger pin 2 of our integrated circuit. As a result, pin 2 is also at high potential. As we know, to trigger the 555 IC through trigger pin 2, the voltage of the pin 2 must be below VCC over 3, so at this stage, LED is off. Now, when we produce some sound near the condenser mic, this sound will be converted into electrical energy and it will raise the potential at the base, which will turn the transistor on. As soon as the transistor becomes on, the potential at point A would become low and it will trigger the 555 IC because of the low voltage at trigger pin 2 and the LED will turn on. We have connected the LED to output pin 3 of 555 IC through a 220 ohm resistor. After some time, LED will be turned off automatically because we are using 555 timer IC in monostable mode. LED will remain turned on for 1.1 R1C1 seconds, so we can see with the formulate, we can change this duration by changing the value of resistor or R1 and the capacitor C1. Control pin 5 of 555 timer IC should be connected to the ground through a 0.01 microfarad capacitor. To test the circuit, you need to clap loudly as the small condenser mic doesn't have a long range, or you can directly hit the mic lightly. In this circuit, LED will be turned off automatically after some time.